Hello friends, welcome all of you in today's session, how to heal yourself from within when you feel down. It happens with all of us, and not every time but sometimes when we feel down. Some situations are not according to us. Sometimes we expect something and we don't get the desired result. So what happens? I'm feeling down. I think I'm not enough. It's a failure for me. I don't know what to do. I'm taking a step back. Oh, but my friend, let me tell you, this is not the end. This is not the end of life. You should be thankful to the divine that you have got this challenge to handle. Because once you get the challenge, you learn, you get some experience, you learn something from that incident, from that event, from that moment, and you become more stronger. It is good that you have got this moment, you have got this incident in your life, and once you will overcome this, you will smile. You will say, yes, I was the one. And next time if the same situation comes to me, I will handle this with more courage, with more power, because I have already experienced this. So I will share 3 steps. I'll share 3 steps. The real-time exercises you can perform anytime, whenever you feel down. But yes, work on them. I'm using these exercises for a long time, and I can feel a new me. If I compare myself from the old Prashant, like 6-7 years back, and now, I feel that I was here, but now I am there. I feel a tremendous change in me. But yes, let me clear you one more thing here. When you are down, it is again a state of mind. It is a stuck state of mind. You are into this stuck state of mind. So remember, why have you got this stuck state of mind? If you are not clear, then watch the video I shared before I started the exercises. That was the basic one, why we behave the way we behave. You will come to know why you are into this state and why are you feeling down. It is because of that event, that incident, the meaning which has been captured in your mind. First, you will change yourself completely. Now, the step 1 is, whenever you feel down, start looking up. Up, right, left, up, right, up. Whatever you see, start looking there. You know what will happen? It will change your state of mind instantly. It is a wonderful, wonderful way, it is a wonderful trick to change your state of mind instantly. It works every time. It will break your low state of mind, your stuck state of mind. It will bring a change in you. But yes, practice it. Start looking there. What exactly do you see? What do you see there? And whatever you had captured in your mind will change. It will work. Try this. Number 2 is give some positive words, positive sentences to yourself. Most of the time, or sometimes, I'm sure that you have listened to some people, they say, Goddess Saraswati is residing in his throat, in his whatever he speaks, that becomes true. It is like he's saying and it is coming on the way. So, you know why is that? Because our words have power. Our words have power. When you use those words will bring a change in you. And that will be a great change. And why do we go into the low state of mind, because we are giving command to ourselves. I'm not enough. I'm feeling down. This is something bad happened to me. When you're using these commands, your mind is listening to you. Your subconscious mind is listening to you. So when you change those words, might be Goddess Saraswati is here. We call it the goddess of wisdom, goddess of knowledge. And sometimes when Goddess Saraswati is here, when you use positive phrases, positive words for yourself, your state of mind will change. Though you can say that it's a belief, yeah, it is. But if it is helping you, why not implement this? After all, it is for you. It is for yourself, for your future, for your career, to bring you up from the lower state of mind to the right state of mind. So use it. Number third, that is the most powerful. Most of the time I use it. And this is called magic box technique. Do you want to know what is this? What this magic box technique is all about? Let me share it with you. So here I have a box. Can you see this? It is a magic box. So whenever I help someone, I give session to someone, I get feedback from someone, I note that down on a chit. You can see that I have lot of chits here. Many. So whenever I feel down, I just start reading these slips, these chits. So I'll just take one. Okay. So it says, I was able to release my pain of last 32 years because of you. Thank you, Prashant. 16th of November 2019. You are on a right path. People are loving you. Keep up the good work. Whenever I read all these slips, these chits, I feel awesome. See, William, Prashant, just because of you, I didn't give up. Thank you. Wow, 2nd of August 2019. Can you see this? I really love all these feedbacks for me. So 19th of September 2019. I won't take the name. I won the lottery twice since the time she connected to me for one-to-one coaching. She is one of my clients from US and won lottery twice there. Okay, and 19th May 2020. Okay. Shell was feeling better. He said, I am better than before. It's like I am born again. Thank you, Prashant. Wow, I like it. I like these feedbacks. As soon as I start reading these feedbacks, you see the smile on my face. I actually feel that I'm on the right path. And when I read them, this is full. I have another box. So when I read them, my state of mind from here is like here. And I feel I am a change maker. I am bringing the change in the society. I am working for a change. And I am on the right path. When I get these feedbacks, how can I be down? How can I be down just because of one incident? And I'm thinking that I should give up. Not at all. Not at all. And one more thing I do that time. Whatever the challenge I have, whatever incident that is bringing the change in me, that is taking me down, that is suppressing me in my mind, I suppress that event. Like I just shrink that event in a small dot. When you will do it, you will actually get the picture of that incident, that event. You are taking it down. It's like a movie. Now you are shrinking it, and it is here. And now you say, oh my God, just because of you, I was feeling down. Now you go, get lost. And you change the meaning of that event. I can handle it. You will be able to do it. I am able to do this, you can also do it. So keep writing these things, because when you write or when you read it again, I believe in one thing as well. When you write, you actually writing the real incidents of your life, and they are taking you up. Every time, whenever you read, your state of mind will go on peak. You will be able to handle any situation, because it is only the state of mind. Your state of mind was here and now it is here. Now you can handle it. Keep doing it. If you have any confusion, any doubt, ask. I am here to answer. I am doing it, you can also do it. So till now I have only this one. The benefits of this is it will change your state of mind instantly. It will take you up with great feelings. Yes, it will, definitely. And it will boost you from inside to handle the stuck states. Any state of mind. But yes, practice. Because that is the only thing that can make you to win a race. If you are here and you want to win a race, this is the ending point to reach. Then being here, you won't be able to, but practice to reach here. You will win. I'm sure. Just work on yourself. This workshop is all about you. Find out, explore the better version, the best version of yourself. I'm with you. To ask any doubt, any clarification, any question, I'm here. So see you tomorrow. Might be in the next write-up, video, audio, and thank you so much for listening to me. I appreciate your time. I thank you for being here, and take care. Stay healthy.